Let's go, everyone! With Bitcoin hitting an all-time high this weekend, gotta unbox these. These are Bitcoin trading cards. So 2 packs per box. I don't know how many cards per pack it says, but 2 packs per box. Series 4. All right, these look interesting. Let's see the tag. New item. Currency Series 4 trading cards, collector box. I'll drop a link in the video description on where I got these from. All right, brand new seal. Let's get into it. Oh, that's pretty hard plastic. Open this up. All right, got it. Okay. Oh, let's check it out the box again since that plastic's off. 2 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. Ages 14 plus. All right, let's try to open these nicely in case I do pull something good. Let's see. Pack 1. Oh, I don't have my card sleeves. I should get those. What is this? Why is there just a couple of white? Pack 2. There's just like a couple of white cardboard boxes. Oh, this is just a divider. I'm guessing that's just to keep the box from collapsing, protect the packs. That's my guess. All right, let's go. I should really get card sleeves for these. Those with fortune on their side may uncover special rare variant cards, such as parallel holofoils, meta rare refractor, and serial numbered gemstone refractor cards. Look for randomly inserted redemption cards. They can be exchanged for various amounts of cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, ETH, Litecoin, or Dogecoin, including 1 Bitcoin and 1. No way. 1 Bitcoin and 1 ETH hits. All right. Let's go. Enough talking. Let's pull the packs. Man, these packs aren't like, they're pretty sturdy, honestly. It's pretty, okay. Trying to open these up carefully. All right. What? Elon Musk currency card? What? All right. Let's open these up carefully. So I got a Elon Musk currency card for real? What does this mean? Oh, let me see. Oh, don't wanna. All right. So I pulled an Elon Musk currency card. Trying not to touch. Trying to keep these in good condition. Here. I think it's supposed to be this way. All right. A silver certificate. This is a currency card. I want to try to, here, let me put on this white. What's this card? That's the first card. Second card I got. Okay, so it's definitely pretty memey. Yield farming currency card. All right. What the heck is this? Harry Potter. Harry Potter book series, currency cred. Okay. And the Elon Musk card. Currency cred. Cool. right, that is the first pack. So interesting, currency trading cards. What does it say about Bitcoin up top? Got this as a gift actually. Look for crypto. Okay. Interesting card series. All right, the second pack. Cardsmith's currency trading cards. Definitely different than opening up Pokemon cards and stuff. All right, let's see. Second pack. Let's go. They're like definitely different texture than Pokemon cards. Bitcoin currency card. All right. Oh, got a Bitcoin card. Cool. Perfect for the weekend since Bitcoin hit an all-time high earlier today. Let me know what you guys think of Bitcoin. If you guys are bullish, bearish, think it's a Ponzi scheme, or if you're a Bitcoin maximalist, let me know. Let me know. What's this one? Widow's Mite? Ancient bronze coin. Interesting. Cool. Some good history there. What is this? This looks like a shiny rare card. Cryptography. Cool. Another Elon Musk. This looks like a little shiny. Elon Musk card, interesting. Hey. Cool. All right, let me know what you guys think of these cards, trading cards, in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think of Bitcoin in the comment section below. And yeah, those of you that do invest in Bitcoin, congrats, all-time highs this weekend. All right, everyone. Hope you're having a great weekend, and I will catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.